Hi everybody, Matt here again from mattleachphotography.com. Welcome back to my YouTube channel where I am sharing tips and tricks from my workflow that will hopefully help you to improve your skills and improve your Photoshop editing. Next up on my list is working with the same image in two windows. Again, a very useful tool that not a lot of people seem to know exists in Photoshop, and it's even more essential if you work on two screens or use an editing tablet with an LCD screen. To start off with, we have an image open on our workspace. We're not actually going to do any editing in this demonstration, so I'm using this image of Rebecca giving her best rock chick attitude purely for the demonstration purposes. So sometimes when we're editing, we have to work on the close-up details like eyes, teeth, dodging and burning, etc. And then we have to zoom out again to see how it's affected the overall image. I'm going to show you how we can set our workspace up in a way to see both options and not have to keep constantly zooming up in and out. First up, we go up to Window, then Arrange, and you're probably familiar with these options at the top, but we're going to go straight past those down to this option here, New Window for, and it will be your file name. Now if you've got multiple images open, they'll all be listed here, but we've only got the one image open, so it's quite straightforward for us to just choose that image. Now once that's done, as it's added two tabs now, and they're both exactly the same file. We can flip between them and you can see, no difference. Next up, we go back to Window, Arrange, and this time we're going to use the options you're probably more familiar with. We use vertically for portrait images or horizontal for landscape images. So I'm going to select the vertically option. And there you have two images exactly the same set next to each other. The next important thing that we do is we go to this option here where it says Zoom all windows and uncheck that option. Now what that allows us to do is we've now got the same file on a split workspace. Once we've done that, we can select now the zoom tool. I've already got it selected, and go to one of the windows and we can zoom right in and work on our details. And what you can see is that hasn't affected the second image at all. We've still got a full size version of that file. However, anything we do on this file, or either file to be honest, will affect the other image. So I'm going to select the brush tool and black, and just for demonstration purposes I'm just going to squiggle. And there you can see it's affected that image. This works with all layers, anything we do. So if we add a curves layer and just slide it, you'll see it affects both images. I'm going to over exaggerate it just to show you the example. Okay, so now I'm just going to undo those. So obviously we don't want to squiggle over a face. Now where this feature comes into its own, I can't actually demonstrate with the screen capture software I'm using. But if you have two screens, for example, I use a MacBook Pro connected to a Thunderbolt display. You could just take this tab and you can drag it, and you see how it undocks. I could now take this window off, and that is now on my second screen. I know you can't see that, so it's a little bit hard to understand, but you can place this anywhere you want. And now you've got a full screen display while you zoom in and do all the detail work. Also, this works just the same if you've got an editing tablet with an LCD screen. So long as you aren't mirroring the display, you can have a close-up zoomed in version on your tablet and a full screen option back on your main screen. This is perfect for beauty editing. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this new tip. If so, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. You can also sign up on my website www.mattleachphotography.com and get news of all my latest videos and workshops straight into your inbox. or follow my work on my Instagram, Matt Leach Photography. Take care until next time. Bye.